Alright folks, man, it's your boy Monk and we are back with another episode of Monk's Box, man. Shout out to the homie Yenny the Kid, man, for letting me borrow this pair of kicks so I can show y'all today. But today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 4 military black model, man. And yeah, nothing special about this box, you know, about the normal Jordan 4 box. Air Jordan 4 Retro written on it, 10.5. Boom. Yeah, buddy. One of the things, man, like, it's crazy. Some of these shoes, you see them online, you know, you see them on all the news posts, and they just look okay. But sometimes when you get them in hand, man, that's when the magic happens, when you can see the detail and the beauty of the shoe that pictures can't do justice, man. But this is a military black model. I can't understand why they call it that, except all I can think of is maybe snow camouflage pattern that you would get that has these colors featured into it. But the shoe is mostly white. You know, we got black accents running all the way around this thing, the toe tab, you know, the side panel right on the top of the sole, down here in the front, you know, the lace loops that you see on the Jordan 4s. But this shoe is clean, man. One of the features that I really love is the tumbled leather. Everywhere there's white on here has that tumbled leather, and if you don't know what that means, it's kind of like the rougher pattern. Almost looks like crinkled up, like elephant skin, man. You know, and that's running through all the white parts of this shoe, and I think that gives it a lot of character. The gray, this area is all suede right here, you know. And yeah, that's pretty much the upper on this shoe. You know, there's a little bit of rubber, you know, like I said, with the heel tab and these lace loops, but this shoe is clean. Get a look at the bottom. It's mostly, you know, gray with the black and the white, you know, mixed in a little bit. But this thing is dope, dude. This is a really nice, clean, solid shoe, man. You could probably pull this off in a lot of different situations, man. Look at that shape right here, though, dude. Like, come on, man. This is like a perfect pair, man. This is how you want your shoe to look that you pull out of the box, man. This right here is a really nice shoe right here. And that's pretty much all I can say, man. This is definitely one of the more impressive of the 4s they put out recently. They got more on the way. We have seen some, you know, earlier this year, but I really dig this pair. You know, I might have to track down a pair for myself. These are hard right here, yeah, definitely, man. Jordan 4 military black. I'm going to give you the whip around view. There's going to be no on feet, you know, unless I catch up with Yenov when he comes to pick them up and he takes the time to put them on for you. But that's it, man, folks. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to be back soon. Peace.